I like to make funny sounds because you can make funny sounds with your mouth and you can make funny sounds with your nose and you can make funny sounds with your cheek. Well, that's a funny sound. Antoine! Now I like to make funny sounds with my mouth. You can join in, let's see how it sounds. Now I like to make funny sounds with my nose. You can join in, let's see how it goes. Now I like to make funny sounds with my cheek. You can join in, we can do it for weeks. Here we go.